I run a full content business. YouTube, a community, digital products, brand deals, with 8 AI agents doing most of the operational work. This channel is about me showing you exactly how to do the same. Every AI for Creator video you've seen is all about tool demos. Someone basically showing off software for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. Nobody actually showing you a real business running on this stuff. The wins, the broken automations, the actual Notion boards and prompts behind it. So this is that. My daily CEO brief agent, my content pipeline from vidIQ research to a published video, my email agent handling brand deals that's incoming, the automatic scheduler that's running my school community while I'm asleep. You'll see exactly what I've built, what I've broke, and the exact full system, not just a concept. So if you are a creator or a solopreneur trying to systemize your own operation instead of doing them manually, this is the blueprint built in public. New system breakdowns, different products I use to create social media content every week. Make sure you subscribe if you want to learn these systems. And I will see y'all in the weeks to come.